There, everybody. Today we'll be covering the potential of large hail and damaging winds, maybe even a brief tornado over portions of southern Oklahoma and northeastern Texas. So, here, as you can see, we have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms again for southern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, and then a marginal or isolated risk of severe storms for southern Missouri, almost all of Arkansas, southeastern half of Oklahoma, and numerous portions of northern Texas. So this is how we'll set up. So you will have discrete cells at first, so only scattered cells, a few of which could again turn strong or severe, mainly with a large hail threat initially, like maybe 1 to 1.10 inches in diameter, so not significantly large, but still large enough to potentially cause some windshield damage. And then, however, though after dark, it appears that some of those storms could actually clump up into a line and slowly move to the southeast. Now, as that happens, damaging winds will become a higher threat. Oh, and also, while the cells are discrete before it turns into linear mold, there could also be the potential for a brief tornado somewhere around here. So, anywhere around here, there could be the potential for a tornado or two. They won't be significant or anything, but even the EF0 is still dangerous. Then for wind, like there could be some wind potential over here, but it'd be over here where you will most likely see around 60-mile-per-hour winds. And then large hails pretty much everywhere. Like there's a risk of it everywhere, but again, some areas could get larger than others, and some areas will have it more likely than others. So expect the most likely timing for it to occur during the evening through the late overnight hours, and some of the strong cells could actually continue to eastern Arkansas early tomorrow morning. So even the morning, a few strong storms with some small hail and strong gusty winds to 50 to 55 miles an hour is still possible. So, well, that's the outlook for today. Also, I will be later on this evening or tonight be releasing the EF5 Hackleburg Campbell tornado. So that's something I'll be releasing later on. Please do watch it. This was unfortunately a huge natural disaster catastrophe that occurred on April 27th, 2011. So that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do also check out the video I'm about to upload.